Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Mayur from YouTube channel Techno Ganesha. Welcome to my Set Forget Traffic review. Now I'm inside the members area, and in this video, I'm going to show you the demo of Set Forget Traffic. Then the walkthrough of what is inside and what does it basically. Set Forget Traffic is a relatively it's a easy copy and paste system. Set forget traffic get you eyeballs from relatively unused platforms. uh, with this, not only you can get the traffic, but also you can monetize it easily. With the set forget traffic demo, anybody can easily start today. It's 100% free traffic, completely organic traffic, and easy copy and paste system. Isn't it great, guys? So I highly recommend that you should pick this up. It's you're going to save bunch of money from other competitors, and so we are going to go through this video of set forget traffic. If this is something that you're interested in, stick with me for more details. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete demo of set forget traffic. Then I have some epic bonuses that will definitely help you in the implementation after learning this. And then we will go through the sales page to understand the pricing and the upsell. So let's go through this. Like, let's go through this to understand like how exactly you can pick my bonuses. To pick my bonuses, you have to click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you through my bonus page. Guys, let you know that this is going to be go live on 26th of October, which is Monday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As of that time, you can click on any of these red buttons that will bring you through the sales page. That will look like this. You can go ahead and pick this up. So you just have to click on this link to pick this up. You will need to pick out my bonuses before this countdown time hits zero, because when it does, all my bonuses will expire, and this is something I don't want you to miss. So on 29th of October, like, all my bonuses will be expired. So you have to pick this up before this countdown time hits zero. I'm just gonna going through my bonuses now, because I'm saying it, they're epic bonuses, because that they're going to help you out in the implementation phase. Like, once you will learn set to forget traffic. So before that, just go through what it says. Set to forget traffic is a method which help us to get eyeballs from a relatively unused platforms. With this method, you cannot only get traffic but also monetize this traffic at the same time. Easy copy and paste system, anybody can get started today. 100% free traffic, easy copy and paste system, method to monetize traffic in one go, easy to set up, no monthly fees, zero tech skills, uh, zero tech skills or experience required, 100% beginners free. Now let's go through my bonuses. Before that, there are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. 100% free traffic to any URL, method to monetize traffic in one go, permanent source that never runs dry, easy to set up, zero tech skills or experience required, 100% beginners friendly, target a 300 million monthly active user database. That is amazing. On the top of it, like, there is no question asked, 30 days money back guarantee also. So this is really amazing. So let's go through my bonuses now. The bonus number one is access lockdown formula. The access lockdown formula is basically info product and software. It's a combination of both. This is developed by my mentor, Jono Armstrong. He's a like number one online marketer at the moment of time. And basically, like, in this bonus, you're going to get how you can pull a traffic the best easiest way, organically. So this is really an amazing bonus, you should not miss out. Then the bonus number two is Bing Ads, Jono's Bing Ads hack. So basically, Bing Ads is a similar platform like Google Ads. So Google Ads kind of bit of expensive, considering that like Bing Ads is also very popular and majoritarily used in the market at the moment of time. So this is also amazing bonus. Bonus number three is build your first website in three easy steps. Every online marketer or anybody who is using the internet need to have their own website. So this is the simplest three steps that you should use to build your own website. Then this is followed by a bonus number four, which is access JavaScript commission bot. See, in the to make money online, there are two major aspect. The one is the traffic, and second one is the offer. So in this bonus, you are going to get all the details exactly how you can pull the organic traffic and how you can create your own offer. So this is an epic bonus that you should definitely not miss. And this is followed by the bonus number five, which is special bonuses from the vendor, like all the vendor bonuses. So let's check out exactly what vendor is also offering. So here are some of the bonuses from vendor. Now not only that, if you pick this up today, you will also get the following bonuses. So the bonus number one is recurring income training course. Get recurring income from work done once, earn for month or even years. Bonus number two is high ticket training course. Earn more with the same effort. Bonus number three is affiliate marketing training. How to affiliate marketing the right way. So these are some of the bonuses like offered by vendors also. So guys, there are a lot of from the vendors. So there are a lot of bonuses here from the vendors. So you're going to get all the vendor bonuses, all my custom bonuses, which I'm sure you will agree on. They're super powerful, completely free of charge, and they are going to instantly delivers even if you'll just pick very front end of a set forget traffic, which is only for dollar 12.97 with uh, with the discount price of with the discount of $3, which is 9.97. This is really amazing. So to pick this up, so to do that, you just have to follow five simple steps. Step number one, click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you through my bonus page. Step number two, just scroll down the page and click on any of these red links that will bring you through the sales page. On the sales page, you can just pick this up clicking on this. If you check out, there is a limited time discount also. So guys, you can just pick this up. As soon as you will pick this up, you have to log into your Warrior Plus account. In the Warrior Plus account, right hand side where you will find your username, just click on the purchase history. So this is the step number three. Step number four, you after clicking on the purchase history, you just have to click on the set forget traffic. That will then you have to go to the receipt page. That will look like this. On the receipt page, there you will find the blue button, access affiliate bonuses. Just click on this blue button, and that will show you all my custom bonuses, all the vendor bonuses, and you can easily able to access all these bonuses. So guys, with this price, with all these bonuses which are completely free of cost, instantly delivered in your like Warrior Plus account, so this is just going to be dollar 9.97. So this is really amazing at this cost. So let's go over the sales page and check out set forget traffic. Discover our secret underground traffic source that sends daily bias traffic to any URL. 100% free traffic to any URL. Method to monetize traffic in one go. Permanent source that never runs dry. Every easy to set up. Zero tech skills and experience required. 100% beginners friendly. target a 300 million monthly active users. So this is what it says. So you can go through the sales page at your own time. I just wanted to show you some of the income proofs. So these are some of the income proofs, like which user of set forget traffic, that their users are like earning the online income. So this is like simple three steps that you have to follow. So you can go through the sales page at your end. I'm not going through the sales page with you guys. So there are a lot of people making lot of tons of money using set forget traffic. So it's a very like simple easy method to set up and like earn from the organic traffic. I'm not going to waste any more time, and let's go to the product demo. So once you will pick this up, and as soon as you will log in, you can see the say like the course content. If you click on any of the course content, so this is basically a info product, very with very nice and click dashboard. So in the intro video, this is the welcome video.
Hey, how are you? You alright? My name's Arif.
So then we have mindset video, and then the actual training starts. So that they have explained about the system, rap speed, writing a letter for a friend, how to write how to write 150 WPM, what is the free traffic, what is the magical platform, what questions to answer for maximize traffic. Then we have affiliate offers. So as I said, there are two major aspects. One is the traffic, and the second one is like very good offer. So traffic we have already discussed in the previous module, and now they have explained the finding the offer on the ClickBank, finding offers on JVZoo, finding the offer on Warrior Plus. So these are the three major affiliate platforms. So and they have detailed, very well explained, like how you can pick the right offer. Then they have few case studies and question and ask, profile update, finding question, example 1, example 2, 3, 4, case studies of linking to offer. So link from block to sell, redirect block link, FB post. Then in the at page 2 we have bonuses. So those bonuses I guess we already discussed. So you can access them like once you will buy this. And there are three upgrades also that we can discuss later on. So this is what all about inside the members area. Now I'm going to talk about the pricing at the upsell. So the pricing is like the front end is set forget traffic is just for $9.97, which is around for $10. Access the powerful set forget traffic software and the training modules. Then the upsell number one, done for you campaigns for $37. Then we have the upsell number one. This is done for you campaigns for $27. So what is the difference? Set of four done for you campaigns, and here we have setup of eight done for you campaigns. Then upsell number two, resellers rights for $97 with the downsell of $67. And then the upsell number three, uh, mastermind coaching calls, which is for $197. So this is going to get a 2 hours calls where you will have the chance to learn how to use the case study in your business. So this is the one-to-one call. I highly recommend that you should go for at least like one at least upsell number this or this one of this upsell, that will be definitely helpful after buying this. So this is the pricing and upsell. So guys, there are a lot of information on my bonus page, as well as on the sales page. You can go through it at your own time. So you can also watch the demo or a video on the sales page. Yeah, don't forget to go through my bonuses again. Like all my these bonuses are going to be completely free of charge. Like once you will buy uh, set forget traffic using my link which is down below in the description. So guys, my thought on this, set forget traffic is a easy copy to paste system. Set forget traffic is kind of is a method relatively unused platforms where you will get a lot of eyeballs, and with this, not only to get the traffic but also you can monetize that's the best part of this. With the set forget traffic, with the set forget traffic demo, anybody can easily set up today. It's 100% free organic traffic, easy copy and paste system. So I highly recommend you that this you should pick this up. You can get all of my bonuses which are completely free of charge. Thank you so much for watching my set to forget review, set to forget traffic review, and I will speak to you soon on the next one. All the best. Take care and bye.